There is no denying that affiliates is one of the most overpowered features of TikTok Shop. I've made several videos showing you how to get affiliates to promote your products. But today I'm going to show you a unique approach that will allow you to convert your current customers into a massive affiliate sales force. Hey guys, it's the eCommerce here. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so we're going to create a thank you note that we're going to insert in every package that we ship out so that the customer can scan a QR code on that thank you note and automatically be directed to our shop so that they can add the product to their showcase and tag it into a video. This will allow them to get commissions on every sale that they generate, and it will allow you to get continuous passive user-generated content and a lot of sales. And your customers are always going to be your best affiliates because they already have the product on hand, so you don't have to ship it to them, and they already love the product. So here's an example. This is the thank you note that I'm using for my activewear brand. We're extremely grateful for your purchase. We hope that our fitness wear motivates you and helps you reach your goals. On behalf of the entire Omega Burn team, thank you. And then I added, new, post a TikTok video with your new shirt and get paid. Become our TikTok Shop affiliate. They can scan this code and they will earn 20% commission. So they can scan right there. But how can you make a QR code that directs the user directly to your product page? Well, very simple. So you're gonna go to your TikTok Seller Center account and you're gonna click on product. In here, find the product that you want to link to and you're gonna click on the little I button. This will display a preview of how it's gonna look and you're gonna be able to copy the URL. So let's try it out. Let's copy the URL and let's paste it in our browser. It loads right away and we can see all of the information that people will be able to see. But the thing is that if they already have a TikTok account, it will automatically open the TikTok account instead of their browser, as long as they scan the QR code with their phone. So let's convert this URL into a QR code. So you're not gonna need this ending part, the question mark and everything else. You don't need that. You only need all the way until the number. So you're gonna copy that and then you're gonna go to qr.io. There's many websites that will convert any kind of text to a QR code, but this one seems pretty simple and is free. So we're gonna submit the URL, we're gonna paste it, and it just loads it right there. Now let's check if it actually works. I have my phone right here and we're gonna test it out right now. So we're gonna click on the camera and we're gonna scan the QR code. And see, when I click on it, it automatically opens the TikTok app and it goes directly to my product page. And if you notice, down there, it says earn $5 on each product sold. So you can add this product to your showcase and start getting commissions. So just to show you, you can see the entire product page. So let's click on the earn $4.99 on each product sold. We click on that and it gives us the option to add to the showcase. Let's click on that and the product has been added to the showcase. Now, let's create a video really quickly just to show you how your customers can tag the products on their videos. Let's click on the plus sign so we can record a new video. Let's select 15 seconds. Just to give you an example, okay, I'm recording a video with the product showing it. All right, now we're gonna click on next. And in here, you can see the option of add link. When your customers press on that, they will be able to select a product. And when they select the product, they can see the products that they added to their showcase. So they can just click on add and add the product. All right, you see, now the product is added, is tagged. So every time they make a sale, they will get a commission. So you can design your thank you cards in Canva or Photoshop and then print them on your printer, or if you're gonna be selling a lot of products, which I'm sure that you will, you can go to a website like gotprint.com and then select marketing materials and select flyers. The ones that I design are 4x6. So here you can get them super cheap. You select the 4x6 size and then you select the paper type. So I currently have them printed on the 80-pound matte text. Alright, but if you want something a little bit higher quality, you can choose the 100-pound gloss book. And it's super cheap. Look, right now this is $18 for 100, but if you change, instead of 100, you put 1,000, it's gonna cost you $38 plus shipping. To my location here in Miami, it's $8 of shipping. So for $45, you're gonna get 1,000 orders that you're gonna ship with a thank you note so that customers will scan that QR code and start making content for you and getting you a bunch of sales. Now, you might be asking, but in order to be an affiliate, you must have 5,000 followers and apply. Well, no. Actually, you can bypass the 5,000 follower requirement and be an affiliate even with 100 followers. Look at my account, I only have like 100 and something followers, and I was able to add the products to the showcase and then tag them to the videos. So if you want to see how it's possible to become an affiliate with 0 followers, check out this video because I show it all right there. Now like the video if you got some value out of it, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you, I'm out.